This is the complete project RFID student attendance system. This device reads RFID card and update student attendance or data in the Google Sheet. Let's see the demo. We have to just power on from this button and it will start. Try to connect Wi-Fi and then Google Sheet, and it's connected, and also it start blinking, means it's ready to scan. Device is ready to scan. It's showing date and time. Let's scan a card. Data immediately came and attendance updated and student ID will be shown here. Also same data will came here. Any device with the same Google ID scan this. This is battery operated and this battery is rechargeable. We can recharge this device. Now this is working. This device is working on a single battery. This is the battery pack. This is charging module. This is switch. This is esp8266 node MCU Wi-Fi module. This is RFID reader writer, and this is buzzer. This is I2C 16:2 display. This is the Google Sheet output, and this is the actual database. This data fetched from this database, as we have sending only this student ID. Based on student ID, the student database fetched from this sheet. Data came just now. This is the time date showing here. Also time and date showing here. Okay.